Samantala sa mundo ng pole vault, hindi muna iniisip ng Filipino pole vaulter at world number 2 na si EJ Obiena ang pagsabak sa susunod na Olympics. Sa isang press conference, sinabi nitong focus muna siya sa paparating na high-level competitions at magre-recover sa iniinda nitong spine injury bago pa ang Paris Games. Ang mga detalye ng laro tinutukan ni Millie Borja.
One step at a time. Yan ang sinabi ng Filipino pole vaulter at two-time Olympian na si EJ Obiena nang tanungin sa posibleng pagsabak nito sa 2028 Los Angeles Olympics. Magugunitang sa kanyang katatapos lang na Paris Games stint, kinapos si Obiena na makapodium finish at nagtapos sa ika-4 na pwesto ng men's pole vault finals.
We'll see. I really am taking it one day at a time, seeing what exactly fuels my fire. The reason why I can't give you guys the answer that you guys I think wants to have is just that I don't want to lie. I don't want to go and say, oh yeah, we're gunning right away, this and that. And if I don't truly feel that, if I don't truly comprehend the sacrifices that I need to do, I don't want to be in LA and just be in LA. If I'm going to do that, I'm going to go all out. I'm going to freaking win the thing.
Para kay Obiena, kung gusto nitong bumalik sa Olympics, kailangan niyang mas maging fully committed. Sa kabila nito, kinlaro ng Pinoy Pride na nais pa rin niyang panatilihin ang posisyon sa world ranking bilang number 2. At dahil sa iniindang spine injury, na siya ring isa sa itinuturong dahilan kung bakit kinailangan ng double effort ni Obiena sa Paris stint nito, pili at tanging high-level competitions muna ang sasalihan niya.
I've not really joined any small tournaments this year. I think I've chosen a lot of the high-level competitions. It's been a very tough season for me. I think overall, I felt like I was just getting maybe 2-3 sessions. I would say 3 sessions before Olympics that I started to be able to stitch together myself.
At yan ang mga latest updates sa mundo ng sports. Para sa MBC TV Network News, ito si Millie Borja, una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.